Present value and equivalent value. Part 1, present value. Suppose we are entitled to a sum of €5,000 in 4 years' time. What is the value of this sum now? I.e., how much would someone be willing to give me now if I promised them the €5,000 in 4 years' time? This is called the present value of €5,000 due in 4 years' time. It is the principal that should be invested now at the going annual interest rate of I to get €5,000 in 4 years' time. From the compound interest formula, if P is the present value, then 5,000 is equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of 4. Solving for P, we get P is equal to 5,000 divided by 1 plus I to the power of 4. This gives us the formula for the present value of a future payment. Present value formula. The present value P of a payment F due in T years in the future when the effective annual rate of interest is I is given by P is equal to F divided by 1 plus I to the power of T, where P is the principal amount and F is the future value. This formula is given to us on page 30 of our formula tables. Example 1. Joe has an insurance policy which is due to mature in 12 years' time, giving him €75,000. Part 1. If the going rate of interest is 3% per annum per year compound interest, what is the present value of his insurance policy? So we're going to use our present value formula. We're going to let the F, the future value, be €75,000. The I, the interest, be 0.03, so 3%. And the T, the time in years, be 12. So we substitute into our formula. We have P equals 75,000 divided by 1.03 to the power of 12. This gives us P equal to 75,000 divided by 1.42576, which gives us P equal to €52,603.49. Thus, the present value of the insurance policy is €52,603.49. Part 2. Explain what is meant by present value in this case. €52,603.49 is the present value of €75,000 in 12 years' time, because if Joe invests €52,603.49 now at 3% per annum per year compound interest, its value in 12 years' time will be €75,000. Here are some more examples. If the effective annual rate of interest is 5%, find the present value of €1,500 due in 6 years' time. So again, we use our formula and we swap the F for €1,500, the I for 0.05, that's 5%, and the T for 6. So we have P is equal to €1,500 divided by 1.05 to the power of 6, which is €1,119.32. Part 2. What is the present value of €2,800 due in 90 months' time? Well, 90 months is equal to 7.5 years, because 90 divided by 12 is 7.5. So again, we use our formula. We swap the F for 2,800, we swap the I for 0.05, and we swap the T for 7.5. And we end up with €1,941.95. Part 3. €4,800 due in 13 months' time. So again, we substitute into our present value formula. We swap the F for 4,800, we swap the I for 0.05, and the T time is 13 over 12. And we end up with €4,552.88.